Hello, my dear friends and students. Today I am going to share a topic, part number 3 of ethology, chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Habitat and Adaptation. If you have not seen the previous part number 1 and 2, go and check out that part in my channel. So let's get started. First, light. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Green plants use sunlight to prepare their food through photosynthesis. The factor of sunlight or sunlight like exposure, intensity, duration on play a vital role on environment. For example, some plants require less exposure of the sunless light, such as snake plant, mother-in-law, tongue plant, and cock pine in Christmas tree, whereas some plants required more exposure, such as maize and cotton. So, सनलाइट इज़ द अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. सनलाइट जो है वो एनर्जी का मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है. और मतलब वो जो सनलाइट है, जो भी सन की शाइन है, वो वाइटल रोल निभाती है पूरी अर्थ में. कुछ प्लांट जो होते हैं उन्हें कम एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, सनलाइट कम चाहिए होती है, और किसी को ज़्यादा चाहिए होती है. उनके एग्जांपल ये दिए गए हैं, ये मैंने आपको दे. नाउ टेम्परेचर इज़ अ temperature is a measure of expressing how hot or cold a matter is. Temperature influences the distribution of plants and animals on the earth. It is very hot or high temperature near the equator, whereas it is very cold or low temperature near the poles of the earth. Some examples are as follows. The blooming of flower either the days or in the nights is due to the temperature difference between the day and the night. Now, animal whose body temperature change in the extreme temperature are called cold-blooded. Cold-blooded animals. Examples are reptiles and insects, while animals whose body temperature is not affected by the extreme temperature are called warm-blooded animals. Example, the birds and the mammals. Now, seasonal maturity is seen in some animals and birds due to the temperature of difference. Now, air around us is a mixture of many atmosphere gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Are also all organisms required oxygen for respiring. Carbon dioxide is used by green plants to make their food by the process of photosynthesis in the plant atmosphere. Nitrogen is fixed by nitrogen-fixed bacteria. Also move air, help the pollution, and disperse the seed of the reproduction of plants. Water is Water is essential for all biotic components of an ecosystem. Habitat of plants and animals vary widely from aquatic environments to the dry deserts. They are directly dependent on the water for their survival. Aquatic plants and water dissolves gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, which help us in the survival of aquatic plants and animals. Human body also contains of 60% water. Now soil. Soil is the loose material found on the uppermost layer of the earth. It is the mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support life. Soil has mainly 4 sublayers. They are topsoil, topsoil, subsoil, material, and bedrock. Plant grow on the topsoil, which has human for their plant better growth. Living organisms such as earthworms, snake make the soil loose, which help plants root to grow deeper in the soil. Now, habitat and their types.